Hey everybody, it's Ivy, and today I'm going to show you how to make this easy flip over unit. Super easy. So the hair we're going to be using today is from West Kiss, and this is their Brazilian Kinky Curly. And I have 3 bundles in a 22 inch, and a 20 inch, but I only used about 2.5 bundles for this entire unit. So this right here is how the hair will look when you get it out the pack. And of course, you always want to co-wash your hair. The hair did look full from the root to the tip, which I was really happy about. And it is a nice full bundle. You get a lot of hair in each one of these bundles. So this is what the hair will look like after you've washed it, and it's just so pretty and so juicy, and the hair just feels amazing. The wefts look amazing. Hair looks very shiny and very soft, and it's no products in it at all. So the first thing you're gonna need is a plastic cap and a wig head. You're gonna need some bonding glue. I like the Salon Pro 30-second. And you're also gonna need a blow dryer. And you're also gonna need a wig cap. I like to use the Japanese swim dome caps because they're breathable and not as hot. So what you want to do is go ahead and measure out your first track, and I'm starting at the bottom, and I'm just going to measure that, and then I cut it. And then I like to lay the glue down actually on the cap. This makes the process faster, and it allows you to use more glue so it's a little bit more secure. So go ahead and lay the glue down, and then you just press the track on. Really simple. Like, it doesn't get easier than this. It's really simple. And next I'm going to continue that. I'm just putting down another track, and I'm laying the glue first, and then I'm going to go in with my second track. Now you want to go ahead and use the blow dryer. I say I use the blow dryer about every 3 tracks, and what you want to do is just blow dry that glue and press the tracks in place. This method is very secure. Like, the tracks don't move once they're on here, because I know y'all probably thinking like, oh my god, how are you gonna glue like curly extensions and it lasts? Trust me, it doesn't come off. And when you're co-washing your unit, just make sure you don't like wet the roots to help the wig last a lot longer. You can see what I'm doing here in the video. It's, you know, no crazy method, really simple, right? So I'm just continuing to add tracks until I'm left with kind of like a U-shaped portion in the front. And you just want to continue to blow dry and press your tracks, and that's pretty much it with the first part of making the flip over wig. Just keep repeating the same process over and over until you're left with that U shape in the front. So this is your U shape that's left in the front, and now you want to start laying your tracks horizontal, and you want to lay tracks all the way to the edge of the wig band. The thick part that's elastic, you want to lay tracks all the way till you get right there, and it should look something like this. This is all that should be left, and this is the area where you're going to make your flip over. So what you want to do is cut small sections, and you're going to be laying these sideways, and you want to lay them very close to each other. So you just put your glue down, and you can pre-cut your pieces just so it goes by really fast. And all I'm doing is laying them down really close right next to each other. As you can see, I'm just gonna keep doing this until the entire section is full, until a little bitty section is left out. And you wanna use your blow dryer to blow dry everything and make sure the tracks are in place. So now I'm going in with my last track, and it should be very close to the other track. Like, they should be super close together, and you want to make sure you blow dry that and kind of press it down with the blow dryer. And now I'm going to show you how I hide the track. What you want to do is lay down some glue and take the hair and pull it over And you want to like press it lightly, but not too much, because you don't want the glue to like seep through. And what this does is hide that last track, like the hair is stuck to the glue. So when you pull it back, you won't be able to see anything. It'll just be seamless like it looks now. This is how it ended up looking, and I did let this dry overnight. So I peeled the plastic off, and this is the wig unit I'm left with. The hair is very fluffy, it's very curly, it's just pretty. This is gonna be one of my favorite little units just to throw on. And you wanna make sure you wear your wig grip with this. It'll keep the wig in place. All you have to do is pop your wig on, really easy. I don't use any combs or pins or anything like that, because I do want this to be like a protective style. And basically you take your hair out and then you just wet your edges. My hair is natural, so all I did was wet it with some water and conditioner, and I just took a brush and kind of smoothed my hair back into the extensions. And as it dries, it just kind of molded together. And this is pretty much the finished look. The hair was really soft. I did get some shedding. The hair did shed a little bit, but it's so soft, and it didn't tangle. I have been wearing this hair out, and I really, really like it. So if you guys are interested in this hair, make sure you check the description bar below. And for this unit, I only used 2 bundles. This is 2 bundles of hair, and it's humongous. Like, I didn't even use a complete 3 bundles, and the hair was very lightweight and very fluffy. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. Please don't forget to thumb this up, comment below, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys in the next one.
You know that I'll always be there for you. Won't let you go. I'll always take care of you because you're mine.